You know, modern tactical firearms are a trap. The $3,000 price tag, the proprietary mounting systems, the micro tolerances that demand specialized synthetic lubricants, the over-engineered match triggers that seize up the second you feed them dirty steel-cased ammo. But knowing that a modern Safe Queen won't survive a disaster and knowing what to actually bet your life on are two different things. There are 3 guns out there built purely for worst-case scenarios. 3 specific platforms with no delicate internals, no finicky gas systems to babysit, no ultra-tight tolerances that choke when things get dirty, and actions documented surviving decades of battlefield abuse on original parts. This is a mechanical autopsy. We are going to tell you exactly what makes these 3 weapons completely different from everything currently hyped on the market, what makes their engineering truly zero failure, and why a true SHTF loadout relies on brute force over modern aesthetics. Number 3. Pump Action 12 Gauge, Mossberg 500, Remington 870. This specific type of long gun is an absolute beast when it comes to long-term endurance. A semi-automatic rifle will keep you alive in a firefight, but a pump-action shotgun will keep you fed and secure your property for decades. Think about the biggest problem you face in a long-term disaster scenario. It is not always a tactical movie shootout where you are dodging bullets. Most of the time, the real enemy is hunger, desperation, and keeping quiet threats away from your front door. If you are starving, all the high-capacity magazines in the world will not help you catch a bird in the sky or a rabbit hiding out in the thick brush. You need something practical. The zero failure factor here is incredibly simple to understand. Pump-action shotguns do not rely on expanding gases to cycle the next round. Modern semi-automatics bleed gas off the barrel to push a bolt backward, which is a great system until that gas hole gets clogged with carbon, dirt, or debris. Because these manual tools avoid that trap, they rely entirely on manual force. This makes them immune to gas system failures, carbon fouling, or short-stroking due to underpowered ammo. You are the engine. If a shell is a little weak, your own arm strength ejects it and slams a fresh one into the chamber. Features like dual extractors and twin action bars make them brute force tools that simply refuse to quit. Now, let us talk about the everyday challenge of logistics. You cannot realistically carry 20 different tools for 20 different jobs when you are on the move. You need one single tool that does almost everything. A 12 gauge is the ultimate ballistic multi-tool. You can load it with birdshot for small game and foul, double-aught buckshot for devastating close quarters defense, or rifled slugs to drop large game at 100 yards. It gives you completely different capabilities just based on what plastic shell you slide into the tube. Its role covers hunting, foraging, breaching, and absolute dominance in close-range engagements. In a tight hallway or a dark room, nothing else on the planet sends a clearer, more terrifying message to an intruder. It is simple, it is devastating, and you can find the shells in almost any abandoned hardware store or sporting goods shop on the planet. The alternative utility pick. Depending on the specific SHTF environment, many survivalists swap the 12 gauge for a Ruger 1022, 22LR. Why would anyone drop a cannon for a tiny rimfire? Because while it completely lacks the defensive stopping power of a shotgun, a reliable 22LR rifle allows for the quiet harvesting of small game, and you can easily carry thousands of rounds of ammunition in a standard backpack without feeling the weight. If your plan involves sneaking through the woods and staying entirely off the radar while keeping your belly full, that rimfire alternative is a massive game changer. However, for raw versatility and sheer destructive power, the manual scattergun takes the number 3 spot. If you are getting real value out of this breakdown and want to stay sharp for whatever the future holds, hit that subscribe button for all about survival. Number 2. AK-47/AKM 7.62 by 39 mm. While the AR-15, 5.56 NATO, is the logistical king in the West, the AK-47 platform is the undisputed global champion of the zero failure title. When you step outside of a comfortable shooting range and into a chaotic, mud-soaked environment, the rules of the game change entirely. Modern rifles are amazing machines, but they often act like high-performance sports cars. If you do not give them premium fuel, clean them constantly, and baby them, they start to cough and sputter. The zero failure factor here comes from a completely different design philosophy. Designed to be operated in the worst environments imaginable, the AK utilizes a massive, overgassed long-stroke piston system. It does not politely sip gas to cycle the bolt. It violently slams the action backward with an absurd amount of force. Its famously loose tolerances mean that mud, sand, carbon buildup, and general neglect simply get violently ejected or pushed out of the way by the sheer mechanical force of the cycling action. You can literally hear the parts rattling around if you shake it, and that is exactly why it works. It has enough room inside the receiver to chew up dirt and just keep firing. Imagine being stuck in a situation where all your cleaning supplies are gone. You do not have fancy chemical solvents, expensive copper brushes, or delicate microfiber cloths. With this platform, maintenance in a prolonged survival scenario often just means occasionally swabbing the barrel and throwing motor oil on the rails. You could probably pull a dipstick out of an abandoned truck, drip some sludge onto the bolt, and it would keep churning through magazines like nothing happened. Ammunition availability is another massive hurdle in a total collapse. But logistics are completely covered because a 7.62 by 39mm cartridge is universally available worldwide. It has been manufactured by the billions for decades, stocked in military crates across every single continent. You will find it buried in hidden caches, sitting in basements, and stacked in surplus crates everywhere. When things go completely off the rails, its role is primary defense, perimeter security, and raw stopping power capable of punching through light barriers and thick brush. That heavy bullet does not easily deflect when it hits a tree branch or a car door. It crashes right through and delivers a massive hit on the other side. It is the definition of a blunt force instrument. It was literally designed to be handed to conscripts who had zero training, terrible conditions, and almost no cleaning kits. And it still performs perfectly. It just works, plain and simple. And that is exactly the kind of energy you need when your life is on the line. Number 1. Glock 19, 9mm. If there is a universal benchmark for handgun reliability, it is the Glock 19. Think about the absolute worst-case scenario you could possibly find yourself in. You are separated from your primary rifle. You are stuck in a highly confined space, maybe in the driver's seat of a wrecked vehicle or scrambling through tight building debris. You need something immediately accessible, perfectly reliable, and completely idiot-proof under extreme adrenaline. The zero failure factor is honestly mind-blowing. Striker-fired polymer pistols dominate the modern market, but Glock's internal simplicity is legendary. Built with only 34 component parts, there is very little that can mechanically break. Every single time an engineer adds a tiny spring, a weird lever, or a complex external safety to a machine, they are just adding a potential failure point. By stripping away all the unnecessary garbage, you are left with a raw, functional tool that only does one thing. It goes bang when you pull the trigger. It honestly does not care what kind of garbage you feed it. It will feed premium defensive rounds, subpar steel-cased ammo, and dirty reloads with boring reliability. I say boring because there's absolutely no drama involved. You load the magazine, rack the slide, and it just fires, over and over again. You do not have to polish the feed ramps or baby it with expensive hollow points to make it cycle properly. It eats everything and asks for more. Let us talk about the ultimate trump card, which is logistics. 9x19mm Parabellum is the most widely manufactured centerfire pistol cartridge on the planet. If you manage to find handgun ammo anywhere in the world during a total collapse, there is a massive statistical probability that it will be a 9mm. But it goes way beyond just the bullets. Furthermore, Glock magazines are so ubiquitous that they are essentially the standard currency of the handgun world. In a prolonged survival situation, you can easily trade these magazines for food, water, or medical supplies because everybody has a tool that takes them. They are that common. In fact, even rival manufacturers design their pistol caliber carbines to accept them. When your direct competitors are literally altering their own gun designs just to use your plastic magazines, you know you have officially won the logistics war. The role it fills is absolutely vital to your daily life. It is for immediate personal defense, everyday concealed carry, and serving as a backup when navigating tight spaces, where a long gun is a liability. You cannot sling a heavy rifle over your shoulder while trying to fix a broken water pump. carry heavy firewood, or blend into a nervous crowd. This sits perfectly on your hip, entirely out of the way, ready to jump into action the exact second you need it. The pump action gives you unparalleled survival utility and brute force for gathering food and protecting your home. The piston-driven rifle gives you rugged, unstoppable perimeter defense through the absolute worst weather and mud conditions. And the polymer striker-fired sidearm gives you a perfectly reliable, logistically dominant backup that goes wherever you go, day or night. You do not need a giant safe full of expensive showpieces. You need simple, proven, and incredibly common tools that take the thinking out of survival. Stick to mechanical simplicity, logistical dominance, and a proven track record, and you'll never be left holding a useless piece of metal when it matters most. Would you like to break down the specific market variations, parts interchangeability, or ballistics for any of these platforms? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to All About Survival so you never miss out on the next video.